Good morning, this is Keith All, and today I'm coming at you with another Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can quickly find the center in any document that you have open. So let's show you how you could do that. This is a very quick tip. So I have this image open, and all you have to do is go up to View, up here on the toolbar, or in the menu, and select New Guide Layout. Now, I already have this set, but all you have to do is select the columns that you want, and you're going to set up 2 columns, and the same thing with rows. You're going to select that, and you're going to enter in 2 for the number and click OK. And as you can see, new guides are set up here. Now you have 2 columns and 2 rows, and in between there you have these guides set, and it actually pinpoints the exact center of your document right here. So that's a very quick tip. And in addition, I'm going to give you another tip in case you do not know how this works. But if you use the eyedropper tool, let's clear the guides first. If you use the eyedropper tool, if you click on that, and if you come down here, and as I move over the document with the eyedropper tool, it will change the foreground color over here. So watch that as I move over the document. If I click on it, as you can see, once I clicked on the color, it changed the foreground color over here. So I'm going to select another area. As you can see, it changed the foreground color. So that's an easy way that you could select a color and you automatically change the foreground color. So if you then want to use your brush tool, you click on brush tool. Now you could brush any area of your document, and it changes and uses the color of your foreground color. So that's a very big tip. But what's even neater about this is this. If I minimize the Photoshop application and I bring up another application, let's put these side by side so you can see what's going on. If you use the eyedropper tool again, I'm going to do that. Watch what happens now. Once I click and drag the eyedropper tool outside of the Photoshop application onto another application, what's going to happen is the foreground color will change. So you could actually work within another application, select your color, and it automatically changes the foreground color over here. So what you need to do on the PC is you're going to click on it within Photoshop, and then just keep holding down the your click and just drag the eyedropper out. And as you can see, if you look at the foreground color, it changes as I point to a different color on here. So once I do that, you can let go. You can come back to your Photoshop application, and now you have your foreground color here. And let's go over to the brush tool and start brushing. So that's a very neat tip and trick using the eyedropper tool. Hopefully this tutorial was very helpful for you today, and come back often because I do more tutorials on Photoshop and other applications that I use for my web design business. Please subscribe to my channel and click on those bell notifications so you will always get notified whenever I have a new video uploaded to my channel. Also, please comment, like, and share this video and help your other Photoshop experts out there. Thanks again for stopping by. You have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video.